Okay, so student asked about number 33. This is from Tro, chapter 1, end of chapter problems. And this, I think, is on page 37 or close to it. All right, so ethylene glycol antifreeze has a density of 1.11. Density is equal to 1.11 grams per cubic centimeters. All right. What is the mass in grams of 417 mils of this liquid? Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say the mass in grams. Okay? And I know the density of this stuff is in, because I got to have grams on top because it's here, grams per cubic centimeter. And I'm given 417 mils. Right? So I got to do a conversion here which gets rid of mils and gets rid of cubic centimeters because grams is my answer. Right? So I have to go look that up. I forget what page that's on. That is going to be table of contents, section 1, units of measurement, standard units, kilograms, prefix multipliers. Come on. Aha, okay, there we go. 1 mil, looks like 1,000 mils is equal to 1,000 cubic centimeters, you see. So this is on page 18. I'm going to go back here and say page 18 says that these are 1 to 1. Or page 18 more specifically says it's 1,000 to 1,000, right? Because they both equal a liter. But let's say that. All right, so now that we know that, let's go ahead and put our numbers in and calculate this problem. How many grams per cubic centimeter? Let's say 1.11. All right, so looks like this is going to be 417 times 1 times 1.11 divided by 1. All right, so I can get that divided by 1. 417, 4.17. 17 times 1.11 is equal to 4.6287. 4.6287. All right. Now, I started with 3 sig figs. 3 sig figs. And there's 3 sig figs here. So there need to be 3 sig figs in the answer. Okay, so this is going to be reported as 4.63 grams. Okay, got a little girl singing in the background here. Hey, little girl. Little girl. I'm recording. Okay, so this is part A. Now let's do part B. Let's go back to red. Be consistent here. Now let's go different color. Okay, so part B, what is the volume in liters? All right, so I'm looking for liters now. Liters in a mass of 4.1 kilograms. 4.1 kilograms. Okay. So I'm going to have to eventually do grams because mass is on top here. It's going to be on bottom here. Grams per cubic centimeters, right? So liters per cubic centimeter, we just looked that up a second ago, it's 1,000. All right? But we don't have grams to cross off with kilograms. We've got to have grams to, we've got to do a conversion. All right, so let's look at that. How many grams in a kilogram? There's 1,000 grams. Oops, wait a second. BB? How many grams in a kilogram? 1,000 grams in a kilogram. How many grams in a cubic centimeter? Aha. In a cubic centimeter. And it looks like there's 1 liter per 1,000 cubic centimeters. All right, so these are going to cross off. And it looks like this answer is going to be 4.1 divided by 1.11. 4.1 divided by 1.11. 0.11. Okay, so it looks like it's 3.693693. Okay, but I don't, let's go back to black for this. There's 2 sig figs in this number and 3 in this one. So how many in my answer? It's the least of the 2, right? So it can only be 2 sig figs. So this is going to be reported as 3.7 liters. Okay, I hope that's helpful.